Our kidneys are two bean-shaped organs, located against the back muscles in the upper abdominal cavity, one on each side of the spine. The kidneys are a very important organ which filters toxins and excess water from our body. There are people who disregard the fact that we should take care of our kidneys. If we don't take care of it now, sure we will regret soon. Anyhow, in this video, we will show you 8 most common daily habits that damage your kidneys, which you should take care of. Starting with habit number 1. Insufficient water intake. You are putting your kidney at risk if you don't drink enough water. As already said, the main function of our kidney is to drain out metabolic waste from our system, and balance the erythrocyte in our bodies. When you don't drink enough water to make this process running, it will lead to accumulation of toxins in the body. Number 2. Keeping your bladder full for prolonged time. Urinating at the right time is highly recommended to maintain kidney health. When we prolong urinating, it leads to lots of complications, like increase of urine pressure in the kidneys, also called hydronephrosis. This can lead to back pressure on the kidneys, and also results in renal failure. Number 3. High salt consumption. Salt contains a high amount of sodium, and the majority of our sodium intake needs to be expelled, which puts our kidneys in stress when we consume them in excess. Statistics shows that 90% of Americans consume salt more than they should. Number 4. Consume excess alcohol. Alcohol is a toxin which puts a lot of stress on our kidneys and liver. Alcohol consumption in high amounts causes uric acid to be deposited in renal tubules, which leads to tubular obstruction, and increases the risk of kidney failure. Number 5. Diet high in proteins. Usually it is healthy to consume proteins, but don't consume it in excess. Too much protein increases the metabolic loads, and can damage the kidney condition in the long run. Number 6. Excess consumption of caffeine. Having too much caffeine-containing foods like chocolate, drinks like coffee, soft drinks and energy drinks can cause high blood pressure, which in turn will put a strain on your kidneys, over time leading to kidney failure. Number 7. Smoking. Smoking increases the blood pressure and heart rate. In addition, it also reduces the blood flow and narrows the blood vessels in the kidneys. It can even accelerate the dysfunctioning of kidney, and worsen existing kidney diseases. Number 8. Intake of painkillers. Taking painkillers for low-grade pain are not good for your kidney. Medical experts warn that taking pain pills on a regular basis will reduce blood, and it deteriorates the functioning of kidneys. Now that you have seen 8 most common daily habits that damage your kidneys, take good care of these habits, and stay healthy. Please share the video with your friends and family, so they can also benefit from the information. If you find it helpful, give a thumbs up, and comment your suggestions below. Don't forget to subscribe, to stay healthy with upcoming videos from Health Veins.